Okay, on to K3b. This one's slightly more complicated. We're doing the sectional elevation, end elevation of this shower tray. Obviously got the plug hole there, the drain hole there, which is also shown there. We're only going to be showing this part of the drawing, so just to kind of help out, I'm going to extend this cut line up here. And if you just look at that, it means that this side here is going to be removed. So all of this here is going to be away. And we're only going to be looking at this side and the end elevation. Now obviously, the end elevation, we're going to be looking in this direction here. Okay, and in this direction here. So we're going to have a narrower sectional end elevation than the elevation. Right, let's crack on and we'll see it taking shape. Extend this line here, project across the height. I'm going to use a bounce line, so I'm going to extend this line here, which is the left hand edge. If you haven't already realised so many of these drawings that we've done in the plan, it's as if you've taken the plan and you've reflected it round there or bounced it round there. So this line relates to this line here. So if we just project this out, where it meets that line, we can draw in our bounce line. So draw in the bounce line here, and then we're going to project round this point, and this point initially, and that will give us the width and a bit more detail about the kind of thickness of the material. Okay. I'm going to firm this in a wee bit so that you can see the outline. Right, I'm also going to project across this information here, here, and from the plan I'm going to project information about the drain here and here. Bounce that round. Now I think you can see that this part here is related to the plug hole. So if I just make this a wee bit darker just now, this bit relates to the plug hole. And if I draw information about the inner circle here, which is the actual hole that is right the way through, and then we can bounce that round and get that onto our drawing. There and there. Okay, and again, I'll just darken this in a bit to make it a bit clearer. Okay, so it's starting to take shape. I'm just going to continue just to get in the basic shapes, and then we'll have a think about what's been hatched, what's been cut, etc. I think this is fairly obvious where these are coming from. Okay, so that's you got your basic shape. Now we need to just think about what's getting cut through. Well, obviously it's cut here and it's cut here, so these bits here, down here, have been cut, and these bits here have been cut, so we can hatch them. Same principle as before, about 5mm apart. So all of this here has been cut through. Now, you might ask, well, why are we not showing anything here? Well, because that's a hole, basically. So, the hole here is not hatched because it's not been cut through. And basically, that is the drawing finished.